Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use Desitin for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks to use when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Using Desitin for hemorrhoids is good, as it's developed for children. It's very suitable for hemorrhoid treatment too. Desitin, when applied on the affected area, soothes and also can stop severe bleeding. Desitin also reduces the pain, irritation, and swelling that comes with hemorrhoids. A lot of people use natural remedies to treat it and relieve the symptoms slowly. This includes changes in dietary and external usage of other natural ingredients. You can also use other topical ointments to relieve the symptoms caused by hemorrhoids. And one of the most used topical ointments is zinc oxide, also known as Desitin. In this article, we are going to talk about Desitin and its benefits for hemorrhoids. How does Desitin or zinc oxide help hemorrhoids? One way to deal with aggressive hemorrhoids is to have surgery. But if your condition is manageable and not very aggressive, you can use a lot of other ways. You can either use natural remedies for treating it from the inside and out. Or you can use minor medications from your physician to deal with it. But one thing for certain is that you can use Desitin and zinc oxide topical ointment to deal with it. They are both doctor prescriptions and you can buy them in different shops if you want to. That's what makes it a very popular way to deal with hemorrhoids, and it's used by a lot of people. External usage of Desitin on irritated skin can be very helpful. And that goes the same for using it on hemorrhoids, since hemorrhoids are not infectious. Desitin is easy to get, and it's highly available everywhere. It can help any minor wound to heal if applied upon, since they have many skin healing abilities. And it also works as a hydrating agent when applied on dry hemorrhoids. That's how it can prevent any serious strain that is caused by the swollen blood veins. And since hemorrhoids are often very dry and itchy, using Desitin can be a very soothing experience. And by reducing the overall strain in the anal canal, can even stop severe bleeding. Desitin or zinc oxide hemorrhoids treatment. Hemorrhoids can get very frustrating every day, and only people with hemorrhoids know the pain. And that is preventing long-term constipation with everything you can do about it. Applying Desitin on the inflamed area of the hemorrhoids can help with the pain, and it can also reduce the itchiness. It can also help with the irritation along with healing it at the same time. Desitin has a lot of advantages and benefits because it has healing abilities. Although Desitin cannot stop spreading any infection, it only decreases the pain and prevents the hemorrhoids from causing any more strains inside the anal canal. A lot of specialists suggest the same thing on how to prevent hemorrhoids from forming in the first place. Although you'll have to remember that using Desitin is only good as long as you don't have an aggressive form of hemorrhoids. How to use Desitin on hemorrhoids. Apply only a bit of topical zinc oxide and apply it on the outer side of your anus. Only a bit of it should do the tricks and not waste it at the same time. And if you're using the rectal suppository version, then you'll have to remove the wrapper first. Then insert it gently into the anus and avoid holding the suppository for a longer time. Or it can melt before getting to work, which should be avoided. Don't insert it too far inside and only insert it inside about 1 inch. And the suppository should get to work very quickly without any issues. What to remember before using Desitin. First of all, Desitin is not for infectious wounds, since it cannot stop spreading infections. You'll always have to keep it in a cold place and away from direct sunlight so that it stays safe. Avoid holding the suppository version of zinc oxide on your hands. You wouldn't want it to melt before getting to work. Do not use any form of zinc oxide suppositories if you already feel the need to release the bowels. You should not use the toilet for about an hour if you have already used zinc oxide in your anus. Do not ever use it if you have allergies to zinc, wax, or cod liver oil. Do not take any form of Desitin orally. They are not for oral consumption. They should only be used externally, and that's how they work properly no matter what kind of wound you have. Desitin only works if you have a manageable condition of hemorrhoids. If you have a somehow aggressive condition of hemorrhoids, Desitin might not work to its full peak. If your hemorrhoids have developed this far, you should talk to your doctor about what to do. What is Desitin and how does it work? Desitin is a topical form of zinc oxide, which is a mineral. Desitin is used externally and mostly to treat minor wounds. This can help in treating minor burns and other skin problems. They can also treat itching or burning problems. Zinc oxide is also available as rectal suppositories to help with hemorrhoid symptoms. They can reduce itching and other rectal irritations caused by hemorrhoids. There are a lot of forms of zinc oxide that are available in the market with different brands. And Desitin is the most popular one in the market right now. Desitin is only meant to be used externally and not orally. And if you're using a rectal suppository version, it should only be used in your rectum. The suppository version of Desitin can help with a lot of symptoms caused by hemorrhoids. Normally, they help the skin to hydrate and stop any kind of strain. If applied on normal wounds or burned wounds, it helps the skin to cool down. It reduces skin pain and irritation and helps the wounded skin to heal faster. How hemorrhoids develop and Desitin treatment. Hemorrhoids, also known as piles, are a form of swollen blood veins that are found in the anal canal. It's mostly seen in middle-aged people and can be very painful. They're mostly caused by not dealing with long-term constipation without treating them. A lot of people find it very embarrassing to get them treated. And due to this kind of issue, most of them don't treat it in time. And that causes the condition to grow and become severe. Two different kinds of hemorrhoids can be seen among patients. They are internal and external hemorrhoids, but only external hemorrhoids are more common among people. External hemorrhoids cause a lot of trouble that includes a lot of symptoms. And most of them originate from long-term constipation. External hemorrhoids can't be noticed when they first start to form. And keeping them untreated for a long time can cause a lot of severe problems. This is where Desitin comes in handy. It's super easy to use and the ointment and suppository are very reliable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.